So here's a much nicer laid out unit circle than my handwritten one. If you notice, they'll call the starting point, it will either have a degree 0 or 360, and radian 0 or 2 pi. They're interchangeable because this is the starting point, and you go around, or it could be the ending point for the 2 pi or 360. So now we're going to find the terminal point determined by each given number t. So when we're looking to find terminal points, we have to think about where on the unit circle would they be. So here's our unit circle. Here's pi. 5 pi over 6, that's 1/6 of the way up before you get there. So we know quadrant 1, it's going to just switch the signs of where the radian is pi over 6. So that's root 3 over 2, 1/2. So we need our x to be negative. For the next terminal point, we know t is 7 pi over 4. So on the unit circle, you're almost at the full 2 pi. You're just a quarter away from it. So here is our 7 pi over 4. It's a quarter. We know first quadrant quarter is root 2 over 2. Root 2 over 2. So for ours, we need to make the y value negative. So you get root 2 over 2 negative root 2 over 2. For the next one, t is negative 2 pi over 3. So we're going negative now. We haven't done one of these. So we need to go clockwise. This is negative pi over 2. Negative 2/3 pi, we are almost at negative pi. You're about a third away from it. Negative 2 pi over 3. So we are a third after pi, so think about it as a third after pi over 2, which correlated with a third almost there. So we know this is 1/2 root 3 over 2. We need them both to be negative because it's in quadrant 3. So negative 1/2 negative root 3 over 2. Our last one, t equals 29 pi over 6. 29 gets divided by 6, not evenly, so we will have a remainder. So we can take out 24 over 6 and have 5 pi over 6 left. So we don't have to worry about that because that goes in evenly. Goes in 4 times, so that's just 2 loops around the circle. The 4 pi over 6 turns into 4, so here's 2, and then 4, And then we got 5 pi over 6. Which it's almost at 1. It's a 6 away, so we are stopping here. It's a 6 away. This point we know over here is a 6 away. So it's just going to be the negative x value, so negative root 3 over 2, 1/2.